Our planet's forests are the lungs of our world, breathing in carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen we need. They are living, breathing giants, quietly working behind the scenes to keep our air clean and our climate stable. Every breath we take is a gift from these ancient ecosystems, which have stood for millennia as guardians of life on Earth. They're home to millions of species and are the heart of biodiversity. For centuries, we've relied on forests for clean air, water, and resources. Forests provide shelter, food, and medicine, supporting not just wildlife, but entire human communities. Their roots hold soil in place, their canopies regulate rainfall, and their presence shapes the very weather we depend on. But today, climate change, illegal logging, and wildfires threaten these vital ecosystems. Traditional monitoring, teams trekking through remote wilderness, measuring trees by hand, just can't keep up. The threats are evolving faster than our ability to track them, leaving forests vulnerable to damage that often goes unseen until it's too late. These surveys are slow, expensive, and often happen only once every 5 or 10 years. In that time, disease, drought, or pests can devastate entire sections before anyone notices. By the time we react, the damage is often irreversible, and precious habitats may already be lost. We're always reacting to disasters after they happen instead of preventing them. Massive reforestation projects plant millions of saplings, but without constant monitoring, many die unnoticed. The cycle of loss and replanting continues, but the root problems remain unsolved. The scale is overwhelming. Millions of hectares, often in inaccessible places. Old methods give us only blurry snapshots when we need a real-time, high-definition view. We need to see the whole picture, not just fragments, to truly understand what's happening. The silent struggle of our forests has gone unheard for too long. It's time to give forests a voice, to know when they're in trouble before it's too late. Only then can we hope to protect them for future generations. We need smarter, faster ways to listen and respond. Technology can help us hear the warning signs, track changes, and act before disaster strikes. The future of our forests depends on it. The question is, how do we make it happen? The answer will shape the fate of forests, and our own future, for generations to come. What if trees could talk? Imagine if the silent giants of our forests could share their secrets, warning us of trouble or telling us how they feel. Thanks to new technology, they almost can. Scientists are building the Internet of Trees by attaching smart sensors to trunks, branches, and even roots. These devices are revolutionizing how we understand forests, making it possible to listen to the environment in ways we never could before. These tiny devices act as weather stations and health monitors, tracking growth, temperature, humidity, and rainfall. They can even detect changes in soil moisture and air quality. With thousands of sensors across a forest, we get a real-time stream of vital signs, painting a living portrait of the ecosystem's health. Instead of vague, infrequent surveys, we see exactly how heat waves or droughts affect different areas. Scientists can pinpoint which trees are stressed and which are thriving. Problems are spotted early, before they become disasters, giving us a chance to act quickly. It's like having a doctor on call for every tree. Each sensor becomes a data point, giving us a detailed, living map of the forest's health. This network helps us understand patterns and predict future changes, making forest management smarter and more responsive. For the first time, we can listen to the subtle whispers of the forest. This isn't just about data. It's about building a deeper connection with nature, learning to respect and protect these vital ecosystems in new ways. With these networks, we become better guardians, ensuring forests thrive for generations. The Internet of Trees is turning forests into active partners in their own protection, giving them a voice in their own survival. And it's only the beginning. As technology advances, our forests will become even more connected, and our understanding of nature will deepen like never before. So, how does sensor data travel from a remote forest to a scientist's screen? Each sensor wirelessly transmits its data, hopping from tree to tree until it reaches a central gateway. The gateway uploads everything to the cloud using cellular or satellite connections. Now, data from the Amazon can be accessed instantly by researchers worldwide. Powerful algorithms organize and translate this raw information into meaningful insights. This seamless flow breaks down barriers of distance and time. Problems deep in the forest are no longer hidden. We get a continuous 24/7 stream, a real-time window into the forest's daily life. This technological pipeline connects us directly to the ecosystem's heartbeat. It's a revolution in how we monitor and protect forests. Data alone isn't enough. We need to make sense of it. Enter artificial intelligence, the forest's new brain. AI analyzes streams from thousands of sensors, spotting patterns and anomalies humans would miss. If growth slows or temperatures spike, AI flags the problem instantly. It acts as an early warning system, giving us time to intervene before disaster strikes. But AI goes further, offering actionable insights, predicting which areas need water or which tree species will thrive. Decisions are now based on hard evidence, not guesswork. This partnership between sensors and AI transforms forestry into a precise science. The AI brain is always on, always learning, and always watching over our green treasures. We're managing forests with unprecedented precision, the result: healthier forests, protected for the future. Let's see this technology in action with Trevia in Brazil. Their lightweight sensors, attached with elastic straps, monitor trees from sapling to maturity without harm. Thousands of sensors now watch over 200,000 hectares in Brazil and Uruguay. The data proves trees are growing and storing carbon, crucial for carbon credit projects. Forest managers can check dashboards in real time, spotting problems and acting fast. If growth slows in one area, they can investigate and fix it within weeks, not years. This boosts forest health and productivity dramatically. Trevia's success is just the start. They're expanding globally. Reliable data builds trust in nature-based climate solutions. The Internet of Trees is already transforming forest management. The future is here, and it's working. Ground sensors give us detail, but satellites provide the big picture. Orbiting high above, satellites scan vast forests in minutes, mapping cover, deforestation, and change. Advanced tech like ESIF and LiDAR reveals photosynthesis and 3D canopy structure, showing forest health and carbon storage. Satellites can't see individual trees or young saplings, but they're essential for spotting large-scale trends and remote threats. They're our first line of defense, identifying hotspots for closer inspection. Satellite data gives context to ground and drone observations. It tells us where to look closer and where to act. Together with other tools, satellites help us protect forests on a global scale. The wide-angle view is vital for modern conservation. Satellites show us the forest, not just the trees. Drones bridge the gap between satellites and ground sensors. Flying low and slow, they capture high-resolution images and multispectral data, revealing stress before it's visible. Drones can count saplings, measure growth, and create 3D models of forest plots. They're perfect for monitoring reforestation projects, quickly checking survival rates and health. If a drone spots trouble, managers can act fast, saving time and resources. Drones can't cover continents, but they excel at targeted missions over hundreds or thousands of hectares. They're the nimble, on-demand scouts of modern forestry. When satellites spot a problem, drones zoom in for a closer look. Together, they make forest monitoring smarter and more efficient. The real power comes when we combine satellites, drones, and ground sensors into a single, unified system. Think of it as a symphony. Each instrument adds depth and character, but together they create something truly extraordinary, far greater than the sum of their parts. Satellites scan the globe from above, flagging areas of concern and providing a broad overview of forest health. Drones then fly in, gathering detailed images, mapping the terrain, and pinpointing trouble spots that need closer attention. Ground teams follow up by deploying sensors for real-time, continuous monitoring, capturing data on temperature, moisture, and even tree growth. This layered approach transforms broad warnings into precise, actionable plans, allowing us to respond with accuracy and speed. We can now target interventions, like irrigation, pest control, or restoration, exactly where and when they're needed most. The result is faster response, better outcomes, and healthier forests that can thrive for generations to come. This integrated system is the future of conservation, blending technology and expertise for maximum impact. It lets us see both the big picture and the fine details, all at once, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Technology and teamwork are transforming how we protect our forests, making our efforts smarter and more effective. The symphony of tools gives us an unbeatable edge, empowering us to safeguard these vital ecosystems. Our forests have never been better protected, and with these innovations, their future looks brighter than ever. By giving trees a technological upgrade, we're changing our relationship with nature. We're moving from passive observers to active, informed caretakers. Real-time data-driven science is revolutionizing conservation. We can maximize forests' ability to absorb carbon and protect biodiversity. Transparent data builds trust in carbon credit projects and nature-based solutions. Healthy forests mean thriving ecosystems and a stronger climate defense. Technology helps us prevent disease, fight illegal logging, and build resilience. This fusion of nature and tech secures a healthier planet for future generations. The tools are here, delivering results worldwide. By listening to the forest, we're ensuring a vibrant, life-sustaining planet for all.